Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In the ever-evolving world of interior design and home decor, lighting plays a pivotal role in setting the ambience and mood of a space. Among the various lighting options available, lamps stand out as both functional and artistic pieces that seamlessly blend practicality with aesthetics. The right lamp has the power to transform a room, casting a warm and inviting glow that complements the decor, while serving as a statement piece in its own right. In this exploration of the top 5 best lamps, we delve into a curated selection that embodies innovation, style, and functionality. Whether you're seeking a modern masterpiece, a timeless classic, or a blend of both, this list showcases the epitome of lamp design, catering to diverse tastes and preferences to illuminate your living spaces in more ways than one. Join us as we unveil the illumination wonders that have captured the attention of both designers and homeowners alike. Number 5. Winfordo 1,257,132 lamp. From the moment I unwrapped the packaging, it was evident that the Winfordo lamp is a work of art. Its sleek stainless steel body gleams with a polished steel finish, radiating sophistication and contemporary charm. The lamp's minimalist design fits seamlessly into a variety of decor styles, making it an ideal addition to both residential and commercial settings. One of the lamp's standout features is its base. Designed in a unique wedge shape, this not only adds to its visual appeal, but also ensures stability when installed. Speaking of installation, the flush mount setup was hassle-free, allowing the lamp to be easily affixed to the ceiling. The crystal shade exudes opulence, refracting the LED light source in a mesmerizing dance of illumination. The choice of LED bulbs not only ensures energy efficiency, but also contributes to the lamp's extended lifespan, aligning perfectly with its generous 3-year warranty. Number 4. CHUSUKRU American 3990 lamp. From the moment I unboxed the lamp, I could tell that it was meticulously crafted to perfection. The combination of the iron lamp body and the delicate glass crystal tubes creates an intricate play of light and shadow that adds an air of elegance to any room it graces. The lampshade's sleek black color enhances the overall charm and sets the perfect backdrop for the dazzling crystals. The American 3990 lamp boasts 8 LED light sources, which offer just the right amount of illumination to transform any space into a cozy haven. Whether it's the parlor, study, master bedroom, or hotel hall, the lighting is distributed evenly, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. With a lighting area of 15 to 30 square meters, it manages to cover a considerable space while maintaining its gracefulness. The attention to detail in the lamp's design is truly commendable. The painted techniques and finish give it a refined look that complements various interior styles. Its Art Deco style speaks volumes about its timeless appeal, making it a versatile addition to both modern and classic settings. Number 3. CHUSUKRU lamp. The sleek black color of the CHUSUKRU lamp exudes a sense of sophistication that effortlessly complements my modern interior decor. The modern style and plated techniques give it a contemporary edge, making it a standout piece in any room. Its surface-mounted installation style was a breeze to set up, and the iron body material feels sturdy and durable. The CHUSUKRU lamp offers versatile usage with its dimmable feature. This allows me to adjust the lighting according to my needs, whether it's creating an ambient atmosphere during dinner or setting a cozy mood for reading in the bedroom. The remote control switch type adds convenience, allowing me to adjust the lighting from the comfort of my couch or bed. I was initially drawn to this lamp due to the ample lighting area it covers, 15 to 30 square meters. I can confidently say that it lives up to this promise, providing well-distributed illumination across a substantial space. With 10 to 15 light sources, the lighting is both bright and evenly spread, eliminating any harsh shadows. Number 2. CHUSUKRU WPL 220 lamp. The CHUSUKRU WPL 220 lamp boasts a stunning modern crystal chandelier design that exudes luxury and sophistication. Its polished chrome finish complements the crystal elements perfectly, creating a mesmerizing play of light and reflections when illuminated. The quality of the materials used, especially the crystal, is exceptional, giving the lamp a premium feel that's sure to impress. Installing the lamp was a breeze, thanks to its surface-mounted design. The package came with clear instructions and all the necessary hardware was included, making the setup process straightforward. Within no time, I had the chandelier securely mounted and ready to grace my dining room. When the lamp is switched on, it casts a radiant and enchanting glow across the room. The 7 LED bulbs provide ample illumination, making my dining area well lit and inviting. The crystals refract the light beautifully, creating a dazzling visual effect that adds a touch of glamour to any occasion. Number 1. Tongue Feast So 1342 lamp. The sleek and contemporary design of the Tongue Feast So 1342 lamp effortlessly complements various interior settings from parlors to bedrooms and even hotel halls. Its metal construction boasts durability, and the painted finish in iron adds a touch of sophistication. The lampshade in a calming white hue emits a soft, inviting glow that fills the room with an ambience of comfort and relaxation. The lamp's 10 to 15 light sources are strategically placed to create an even and enchanting lighting area of 10 to 15 square meters. With LED bulbs as its light source, the Tongue Feast So 1342 lamp not only provides ample illumination, but also does so while being energy efficient. The lighting is neither too harsh nor too dim, making it ideal for creating cozy and inviting spaces. The knob switch allows for easy control of the lighting intensity, providing flexibility to match different moods and occasions. Installing the lamp was a breeze, thanks to the cord pendant installation type. The lamp comes with all the necessary components for installation, making the setup process straightforward. The included wedge base adds stability and ensures the lamp hangs securely. Thanks for watching this video.